Hi everyone, welcome back to 60-second stats with Dr. O'Day, Independent Samples T-Test Edition. In this study, we asked men to critically or positively evaluate their musculature and how they could use their muscles to defend themselves, and we examined body image after they went through that procedure. So I'm going to run an independent samples t-test. Body checking task, that critical versus positive is my independent variable and body image is my dependent variable. We want to ask for effect size, descriptive statistics, and I want to specify that I think that the critical body checking task will be perceived as significantly lower in body image than the positive body checking task. Because I'm going to assume unequal variances here, I'm going to run a Welch's t-test. So what we can see is that there was a significant effect of body checking task. Our p-value is less than 0.05, and we see that the critical body checking task was perceived as significantly lower in body image than the positive body checking task. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and let me know if there's any videos that you want to see coming up.